So we are given this diagram and we are asked to find the area of the parallelogram ABCD. The first time I saw this question, one thing about OBJ, most OBJ questions are structured to test your basic knowledge, because I know the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So to get the base and height here is a problem. So, but on the other hand, if you look at this diagram, you sense that this length, the sides here, they are the same. Yes. Okay, let's add these auxiliary lines. So you notice that the sides are the same. Yes, because remember by Pythagorean theorem that if you have A, B, C, that A squared plus B squared is C squared. So joining all these points, so we see that this is 90. So this is 3. Why this length is 5. So that same way, this is 3. Why the other length, the total that's here is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So here is 3. Why this is 5. So making the lengths here equal. Why here is 3. From here to here is 5. So these lengths that are equal. So meaning that, remember, we have 3 types of parallelogram. We have rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram, a square is a parallelogram, and a rhombus. But looking at the diagram, you see that this angle is less than 90. So it won't be a rectangle or a square. So the best parallelogram is a rhombus. Yes. So the area of this parallelogram is the same thing as area of a rhombus. And we know area of a rhombus is half times the product of the diagonals. So let me just wipe this. We've known that this is a rhombus. So let's find the diagonals. Length of the diagonals. Okay, so let's join the vertices so that we'll find the length of the diagonals. So we've joined the vertices. We know that area of a rhombus is half times the product of the diagonal. So our main aim is now to get the length of the diagonal. And looking at AC, to find AC is like the hypotenuse of this. Joining, if you trace down, will form a right triangle. So this is a right triangle of legs 8, because here to here is 8. So 8, 8. So the length of AC is 8 root 2, using because it's an isosceles triangle. So AC is 8 root 2 cm. Why BD? As you can see, if we join this, from here to here is 2. This is 2. So BD is 2 roots 2. I'm using 45, 90 triangle theorem, which states that if you have, here is x, once here is x, so here is always x root 2, because the angles here are 45. So that's what I use, since here is 8. So I'm saying that AC is 8 root 2 and BD is 2 root 2. So using this principle, so what we are looking for is area of a rhombus, because that is a rhombus. The parallelogram is a rhombus. Half times the product of their diagonals, which is AC times BD. So we have half times AC is 8 root 2 times BD is 2 root 2. So our answer is 8 times 2 because root 2 is 2. So 8 times, which is 16. So this question is just to test your basic. Thank you.